Look at his load on that.
There you go, Chris.
There you go. Look at that. Look at that motorbike, man. He got a load right there.
And I called her 3 weeks ago to see if she wanted to change her mind.
I didn't even respond. I'm gonna text her later, but I thought, Mama, I know. Yeah, seriously.
Matter of fact, that mountain that you seen back there, did y'all ever go to the elephant sanctuary?
I don't know if we went last year or not. Pastor Paul went
They're
there.
on the right.
Pastor,
They are selling
It's up on that
for
mountain.
some. They're hoping to make
And all those are just tree lands that they're walking on.
That's that thing right there. So you can,
Oh, that was a
you're on top of it.
oh, they're smiling.
It's in here.
come from here.
This is the second little tortoise.
Thank you, repeat.
So we're gonna be on this side tomorrow for the guys. They're gonna be with me here at
Yeah.
Center here, Rick Chris, where we have kids
Down here. And to the right. Don't worry, if we would have hit, that's an ambulance.
There you can see we're stopped for a minute. They have a lot of plants and stuff. People sell all these plants alongside the road. Look at that. Those are beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.